Hello, I am Pramod Kumar. Today we will study accountancy. Our chapter is analysis of financial statements. We have divided it into 4 parts. Part 1 we have already discussed in the previous video. We will discuss now part 2. In part 2, what we will discuss? We had discussed there are 5 tools to analyze financial statements. Those are comparative statement, common size statement, ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, and trend analysis. So in part 2 of 4 we will discuss comparative statement, right? So comparative statement we have already discussed what it is. We take the balance sheet or profit and loss statement of a company for various periods to compare how the things have moved. So in comparative statement what we do, we prepare 5 columns. We will do 2 sums in part 2 for your better understanding. We prepare 5 columns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First column is particulars. What we are talking about, right? Then suppose we are in right now in 2021. So we will take 1819, 1920. 2089 18 2019 20, right? And here we will take absolute increase or decrease, and here we will take percent increase or decrease, right? So here we are 1819 1920 absolute change. What is the change? Change is this minus this 1819 1920 absolute plus or minus increase or decrease percentage. So the first sum says, and this will be rupees, but this is not rupee, this is percentage, right? Now the sum says, let us do a sum. Convert the following statement of profit and loss into the comparative statement of profit and loss of BCR Company Limited. BCR Company Limited. This is the company we are talking about. So revenue from operations was 60 lakhs became 75 lakhs. Revenue from operations 60 lakhs, it became 75 lakhs, right? Was 60 lakhs became 75 lakhs. So what is the absolute plus or minus? 15 lakhs. Whenever there is minus, we will put it in brackets. And what is the percentage change? Percentage change is this minus this upon this into 100. So 75 lakhs minus 60 lakhs, how much it is? 15 lakhs. Upon year 1, 60 lakhs into 100, right? So 60, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 6 upon 150, 150 upon 6, it is 25%. So here we will write 25.00. right? Revenue from operations was 60 lakhs became 75 lakhs. So absolute increase is 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs as a percentage of 60 lakhs is 25%. Next is other income. Sorry. Other income. Other income improved from declined from 150 to 120. 1,50,000 to 1,20,000. So it has gone down by 30,000. So what is the change? 30,000 is negative upon 150. So how much it is negative? Minus 30,000 as a percentage of 150,000, 20%, right? Then we come to, when we add this, we get total revenue. What is total revenue? 61 lakhs, 50,000, 76 lakhs, 20,000, right? 150 minus 15 lakhs minus 30, 14 lakhs 70,000, right? 14 lakhs 70,000. Then this absolute increase as a percentage of this 1470 upon right? So it will come to around 147, around 40, around 40%. What it is? It should be total revenue, no, 14,70,000 as a percentage of, so it will be around 15 for 60, less than 25%. It is around 23.90, right? Then we come to, what do we come to? We come to less expenses. What is the expenses? As given in the sum, 44 lakhs to 50 lakhs 60,000. 44 lakhs to 50 lakhs 60,000. So 660, 6 lakhs 60,000. Now 660 as a percent of 44 lakh, right? 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. So it will be 6 lakh 60,000. It will be less than 660 upon 4400 into 100. So 44 to 660. It will be around 15%, right? This is 15% and it is positive because it has changed from 44 to 50, 60. 15%. Now, what is the profit before tax? Total revenue minus expenses is profit before tax. So profit before tax is 17,50,000, 7620, 51, 2560, right? 25,60,000. That's correct. And the difference is 2560 minus 1750, 8,10,000. And what is the percentage? 8,10,000 as a percentage of 17,50,000, right? 17 fives are 85. So it will be less than 50%. It is 46.29% to be precise. And what do we get as profit after tax? PAT, net profit. Profit after tax after deducting taxes. So what are the taxes? 35% in the first year and 40% in the second year. So tax is 35% of this, 17,50,000 into 35 upon 100, and here it is 40%, 25,60,000 into 40 upon 100, and then the ratio of this, whatever it comes to. So it will come to be precise, 612,500, 1024. 612,500, 10,24,000, and the difference is 4,11,500, 411,500, right? 411,500. That's correct. And 411,500 as a percentage of 6,12,500 is 67.18%, right? And what do we get here? Profit after tax, PBT minus tax, 17,50,000 minus this 612,500, so 11,37,500, 11,37,500, and here it is 2560 minus 1024, 15,36,000. 11,37,500 is correct, 1536 is correct. So here what has happened? It has increased. It has increased by how much? 1536 minus 11,37,500, 398,500. And 398,500 as a percentage of 11,37,500, it will be around 35.03, right? So now we will discuss this. BCR Company Limited, what we are doing? We are doing comparative statement. So for this company, we have taken profit and loss statement for 2 years, 2018-19 and 2019-20. So in first column we have taken particulars, in second we have taken 18-19 figures, in third 19-20, in fourth column we have taken absolute increase or decrease in 19-20 over 18 and 19. So this we get by deducting 1890 figure from 1920 figure, and then we express it as a percentage. What as a percentage? Whatever is absolute change, that we express as a percentage. So revenue from operations was 60 lakhs, it became 75 lakhs. So there is an absolute increase of 15 lakhs, and this 15 lakhs as a percentage of 18, 19, 60 lakhs is 25%. Other income, it declined from 150,000 to 120,000. So the decline was of 30,000. So 30,000 as a percentage of 150,000 is minus 20%. Total revenue is revenue from operations from plus other income, 6150. It increased to 7620. So absolute increase is 14,70,000, and 14,70,000 as a percentage of 61,50,000 comes to 23.90%. Less expenses. Now we need to deduct expenses. Expenses are 44 lakhs and then next year 50,60,000. So expenses have increased by 6,60,000 in absolute terms and 15% as a percentage. So when we deduct expenses from total revenue, we get profit before tax. So when we deduct 44 lakhs from 6150, we get 1750, and 50,60,000 from 7620, we get 2560, and there is a there is an increase of 8,10,000 in profit before tax, and 8,10,000 as a percentage of 17,50,000 is 46.29%. Then we calculate tax on profit before tax. First year it is 35%. So 35% of 17,15,000 is 6,12,500, and 40% of 25,60,000 is 10,24,000. So taxes have increased from 6,12,500 to 10,24, means there is an absolute increase of 4,11,500, which comes to percentage increase of 67.18%. And when we deduct taxes from PBT, profit before tax, we get PAT, profit after tax or net profit. So 17,50,000 minus 6,12,000, 11,37,500, right? 25,60,000 minus 10,24,000 is 15,36. PAT has increased from 11,37,500 to 15,36. There is an absolute increase of 398,500, which results into percentage increase of 35.03%. Means PAT has increased by 35.03% in 1920 over 1819. So this statement, from this statement, what do we get? We get comparative statement of BCR Company Limited, profit and loss statement for 2 years, right? Now we will do one more sum in this part 2, so that things become more clear to you. We will do it as clearly as we have done this one. Okay, the second sum is in respect of from the following statement of P&L of Madhu Company Limited, prepare comparative statement of P&L for the year ended 31st March 14, 31st March 15, right? Madhu Company Limited. So let us start like that only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is particulars, and here is 14 and 15. 13, 14, 14, 15, absolute, plus or minus, percentage, increase or decrease, right? This will be rupees, rupees, rupees. Right? This won't be rupees, this is percentage. So we go into particulars. Particulars are revenue from operations 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Revenue from operations 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Absolute, and it is how much? 4 lakhs as a percentage of 16 lakhs, 25.00, right? Then employee benefit expenses and other expenses. So what we will do? We will write less expenses A, employee benefit, and B, other expenses, right? Less expenses. Employee benefit is 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. it was 8 lakhs, became 10 lakhs. So absolute increase is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs as a percentage of 8 lakhs, 25% exactly. Other expenses 2 lakhs to 1 lakh. It was 2 lakhs, it became 1 lakh. So it has declined by 1 lakh, and 1 lakh as a percentage of 2 lakh minus 50.00, right? Minus 50.00, or you can take it into a bracket. Bracket indicates negative. Then what do we get? What is our PBT then? What is our profit before tax? 16 lakhs minus this 10 lakhs, 6 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 11 lakhs, 9 lakhs. So from 6 it has gone to 9. So there is an absolute increase of 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs as a percentage of 6 lakhs, 50%, right? Then tax rate is 40%. 40% of this 2,40,000, 40% of this 3,60,000, right? Then what happens? What is the absolute increase or decrease? From 2,40,000 it has become 360. So there is an absolute increase of 120,000, and 120,000 as a percentage of 2,40,000 is 50%, right? So let us see again. From the following statement of profit and loss of Madhu Company Limited, we have prepared this comparative statement, and this comparative statement is of 13-14, 14-15, right? Revenue from operations was 16 lakhs, became 20 lakhs. Absolute increase of 4 lakhs. 4 lakh as a percentage of 16 lakhs, 25% increase. Expenses are of two kinds: employee benefit expenses, other expenses. Employee benefit expenses have increased from 8 lakhs to 1000, 10,000, right? 8,000, 80,000, 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So there is an absolute increase of 2 lakhs. And 2 lakh as a percentage of 8 lakhs is very clear. 2 as a percentage of 8, 25%. Other expenses were 2 lakhs. They became 1 lakh. So absolute decline of 1 lakh. So 1 lakh as a percentage of 2 lakh, 50% negative in bracket, because it had declined from 2 to 1. So profit before tax is revenue minus expenses. 16 lakhs minus 10 lakhs is 6 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 11 lakhs is 9 lakhs. So from 6 it has gone to 9, absolute increase of 3 lakhs, right? Percentage increase or decrease, 3 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs is 50%. Then what is the tax? Tax is at 40%. So 40% of 6 lakhs, 2,40,000. 40% of 9 lakhs, 3,60,000. So tax has increased from 2,40,000 to 3,60,000, means it has absolute increase 120,000. So 120,000 as a percentage of 240,000, 50%, right? Now we come to net profit. PBT minus tax. 6 lakhs minus 240, 3,60,000, and 9 lakh minus 360, 5,40,000. From 360 it has gone to 540. There is an absolute increase of 1,80,000, and 1,80,000 as a percentage of 360 is 50%, right? So we have analyzed here profit and loss statement of Madhu and Company and comparative statement 13, 14, 14, 15. So first column we have particulars. What are those particulars? Revenue from operations, less expenses. First expense is employee benefit expenses, other one is other expenses. Then profit before tax, tax and profit after tax means net profit. So here we have drawn 5 columns. Particulars, first year, second year, absolute increase or decrease. What is absolute increase or decrease? Second year minus first year is absolute increase or decrease. Then we have also drawn percentage increase or decrease. What is that? Absolute change divided by first year, or absolute change as a percentage of first year is percentage increase or decrease. Revenue from operations was 16 lakhs. It increased to 20 lakhs. So there is an absolute increase of 4 lakhs. And 4 lakhs as a percentage of 16 lakhs is 25%. Let's expenses. Expenses are of two kinds. Here, employee benefit expenses, other expenses. Employee benefit expenses have increased from 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Absolute increase of 2 lakhs. And 2 lakh as a percentage of 8 lakhs is 25%. Other expenses have declined from 2 lakh to 1 lakh. So there is absolute decline of 1 lakh. From 2 lakh to 1 lakh means absolute decline of 1 lakh. And 1 lakh as a percentage of 2 lakh is 50%, but minus because it has declined from 2 lakhs to 1 lakh. Then when we deduct these expenses from revenue, we get profit before tax. 16 lakhs minus 10 lakhs is equal to 6 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 11 lakhs, 9 lakhs. So profit before tax has increased from 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs. There is an absolute increase of 3 lakhs. And 3 lakhs as a percentage of 6 lakhs is 50%. Then tax is at 40% rate. So PBT is 6 lakhs. So 40% of 6 lakhs is 2,40,000. Next year PBT is 9 lakh. 40% of 9 lakh is 360. So tax has increased from 240 to 360. There is an absolute increase of 120,000. And 120,000 as a percentage of 240,000 is 50%. Then when we deduct taxes from PBT, we get PAT, profit after tax or net profit. 6 lakhs minus 240,000, 360,000. 9 lakhs minus 3,60,000, 5,40,000. Profit after tax has increased from 3,60,000 to 5,40,000, means absolute increase of 1,80,000. 1,80,000 as a percentage of 3,60,000 is 50%, right? So we have discussed in detail in a very simple way two sums in comparative statement. What is the comparative statement? We have already discussed. Either balance sheet or profit and loss statement of a firm or a company for more than 1 year. So we compare the various items of profit and loss over a period of time and we see how it has moved. So here you will find revenue from operations has gone up by 25%, but profit after tax has gone up by 50%. You need to see it thoroughly. Revenue from operations has gone up by only 25%, but profit after tax or net profit has gone up by 50%. It means the efficiency of operations has improved. Or if there was a reverse case, revenue from operations had gone up by 50%, and profit after tax had gone up only by 25%, then that was a reverse situation. The efficiency of operations, we will say it has gone down. But in this case, though revenue has gone up by only 25%, profit after tax has gone up by 50%. Right? It means efficiency of operations has improved, increased. The operations have become more efficient because they are earning more for the company. This is what matters for the company. Right? Okay, I hope you found it easy to understand. In case of any difficulty, please approach me on my email ID, which will be there at the thumbnail to the video. Thank you very much.